Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to build eye-catching video ads in Canva from start to finish? Click Create, then select Videos. Choose a landscape video for this tutorial. Next, search for templates by typing Products in the search bar. Select a template that fits your project to begin customizing your video. This approach helps streamline the video creation process, making it easier to produce professional-looking content quickly and efficiently. Select the template, then click Apply to all pages. Now you can easily edit the entire document using this chosen template for a consistent, streamlined look. First, play the template to review it. Listen carefully for any areas that could be enhanced. Identify elements that may improve the overall quality or clarity. Consider adding features, transitions, or effects to make the template more engaging and effective for its intended purpose. This concludes the video. Next, add another page that effectively promotes your product or service. Make sure this new page highlights key benefits and features clearly. By including this additional page, you enhance the overall impact and increase the chances of engaging your audience successfully. Proceed to add it now. Select the product sample. Next, add a background element to enhance the visual appeal. Choose the desired background from the options available, then adjust its position and size to fit the product perfectly. This will create a cohesive and attractive presentation for your product display. Click the search bar and type graphics. Browse the results to find images that complement your ads. Select a graphic that fits your design, then drag and drop it onto your project canvas. Next, search for a video clip to enhance your content. Preview several clips and choose one that matches your theme. Add the clip to your timeline by dragging it into place. To add depth, search for textures in the library. Pick a texture that enhances your visuals without overpowering your message. Apply the texture by overlaying it on your project, adjusting opacity as needed. Review the combined elements to ensure they blend seamlessly and support your overall design. Save your progress. Let's adjust the summer sale graphic. First, select the image, then click Position. Choose Layers and send the image to the back. This places it behind other elements. Now you can easily enlarge the image by dragging the corner handles. Adjust it until it fits your design perfectly. This method helps keep your layout organized and visually appealing. Remember, positioning layers correctly ensures that every element is visible as intended. Continue refining spacing and size for the best overall effect in your project. Next, apply a background color or choose a gradient to enhance your design's appearance. Select the desired color option, then adjust the settings to achieve the perfect look. This adds depth and visual interest to your project effectively and quickly. Click the gradient you want to edit. Open the color picker to choose new colors or adjust the existing gradient stops. Use the slider to refine the transition. Confirm your changes to update the gradient on your design element. Align the element within the video frame. Next, add another transition by selecting the desired style. Choose a slow transition to create a smooth effect between clips. Adjust the duration if needed for the best visual flow. Preview the video to ensure the transitions enhance the overall presentation seamlessly and maintain viewer engagement throughout the sequence. Let's apply a sharp transition. First, select the transition and increase its duration. Now, play the video to preview the effect. Next, you can add a video or audio file to enhance your project. Simply import the media, then drag it onto the timeline. Adjust the placement to sync with your content, ensuring a smooth, professional final result. To start, let's search for promotion within the project. Next, apply this effect to your clip by dragging it onto the timeline. Once added, play your video to see the changes in action. This helps ensure the promotion effect fits perfectly. Adjust any settings if necessary to refine the appearance. Preview the result by playing the timeline again, confirming everything looks as expected before moving on. Click Share to open sharing options. To download the file, select Download. Before downloading, you can increase the quality by choosing a higher setting from the Quality menu. Once you select your desired quality, click Download to save the file to your device. This allows you to get the best possible version. That's all there is to it. Quickly share or download your content with these simple steps. Now you know how to create a video marketing campaign with Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy tips.